A home can be a special place of shelter, family, and gathering. But when that special place needs attention and you don't have the money for repairs, there are grants that can help. Regardless of your circumstances, poor health, limited or low income, age, or disability, this video will give you 3 excellent sources to help you repair your home. From my home to yours, let's get started. First, the most commonly sought after resource, government grants. But when you think of a grant from the U.S. federal government for home repairs, think instead of government benefits. That is where the federal government has allocated their direct spending on home repair. Go to benefits.gov, linked below, and complete the Benefits Finder questionnaire, which will connect you to any home repair benefits you are eligible to receive. Let's look at options for home repair grants from a state government. Conducting a Google search with this phrase, grants for home repair in North Carolina. Let's go past the ads and look at the first few results. Here's a link that goes directly to the North Carolina Department of Housing and Human Services, specifically for home repair. Scroll down to see the details of how the program works, including how much money you might qualify for. This site is linked below. What about your city or county? Let's repeat that Google search, this time for a rural location. Grants for home repairs in Hastings, Nebraska. Go past the ads again, and the first links show that a federal agency has made home repair dollars available, but you apply through state or local government agencies. Lots of words here, but we can see that both grants and loans are available. Be sure to make use of this contact information for the person in your state. They'll have all the information you need. Linked below, I placed instructions on how to conduct your own Google search. Moving on to non-government sources. Nonprofit organizations have many resources available to you. I'm going to list 2 here, both linked below. Then the next resource in this video will show you how to find multiple home repair services available near you. Rebuilding Together has local affiliates in 38 states and Washington, D.C. to make essential home repairs that help families stay in their homes. This locator is linked in the description below so you can find your local affiliate. Habitat for Humanity doesn't just build homes. It has special housing repair programs for seniors to continue to live independently. Habitat also repairs homes for veterans. This is the simplest option. Home repair help is only a phone call away. Not just home repairs, but food, clothing, and help with bills can be found by dialing 211. You will speak to an operator who will connect you to services you need, including home repair. I have also addressed housing grants in other Grant Chatter videos, so follow the links that will appear on the screen to get more resources in grants for individuals, grants for disabled persons, or grants for veterans. They're also linked below. I'm Tiffany. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.